Eclectic. Not following one style or set of ideas. She has very eclectic tastes in music. Delve. To reach inside a bag, container, etc., to search for something. She delved in her purse for a pen. Studious. Spending a lot of time studying or reading. He liked to wear rimmed glasses, which he thought made him look studious. Impel. Feeling as if you are forced to do something. He felt impelled to investigate the matter further. Mannered. Trying to impress people by being formal. His writing style is far too mannered. Peevish. Easily annoyed. Jack was a sickly, peevish old man. Stickler. A person who thinks that a particular type of behavior is very important. Robin is a stickler for punctuality. Adulterate. To make food or drink less pure, by adding another substance to it. The water supply had been adulterated with toxic chemicals from the soil. Deplete. To reduce something by a large amount, so that there is not enough left. Food and water supplies were severely depleted. Nadir. The worst moment of a particular situation. Company losses reached their nadir in 2008.